Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add Hydra bot in Discord from mobile. Follow these easy steps to add Hydra bot to your Discord server. First of all, go to a browser and in the search box type hydra.bot and then you will directly jump into the official Hydra bot website. Here tap on invite and now select the server where you want to add the Hydra bot. Tap on continue, scroll down and tap on authorize. Once the bot added, go to your Discord and go to the server, and here I'm going to the server settings and tapping on members, and as you can see the Hydra bot has been added to the server. So this is how we can add Hydra bot to Discord server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.